Hi, I'm Mike from Minnesota. Welcome to my channel. Today's episode is going to be easy peasy Saturday night pizza. And I got this idea after talking to a couple of my sisters. Um, you can see on my channel I've got Up North Pizza, which shows you how to make pizza right from the beginning, how to make the dough, how to make the sauce. But you know, I've used part of this recipe before when I just don't have the time to make the dough. Um, and it works out really good. So I'm going to get into that in a minute, but I also want to tell everybody that in another discussion with one of my cousins, um, you don't have to pay anything to to subscribe to YouTube, to have a YouTube account. And once you have that account, the only way it costs any money is if you choose to pay a little bit and get it ad free. Well, I don't even do that, so it'll pop up, and do you want to subscribe without ads? And just say no thanks. But if there's a lot of things you can do once you have a account with YouTube. One is you can subscribe to different channels, like this channel here. So what you could do is, well, hit the like button, of course, and then hit subscribe. And then you can go right to all of my videos. And if you hit the bell for notifications, it will inform you when Mike from Minnesota has a new video online. So yeah, I definitely wanted to mention that because it came up with a cousin of mine, and that's it. Well, easy peasy pizza is the ingredients are simple. Rhodes Frozen Dough. The instructions for thawing are on the back, and what I did after I opened these, to keep them fresher in the freezer, I wrapped them in plastic wrap and put them back in the bag, and then put them in the freezer, and they'll stay more fresh that way. So what I did in mine is I took the dough out and I did the refrigerator thaw method. I oiled a bowl container, glass container. You can use anything. I oiled it, put the dough in there, covered it with plastic wrap, and put it in the fridge all night. This morning, here about a couple hours ago, I took it out just to let it warm up. Now, for the sauce, I just went to the grocery store. I generally make my own sauce, and I would recommend doing that. I keep it frozen in the freezer. I've got one batch makes several pizzas. But I thought I would try this just because this is supposed to be an easy peasy pizza. So, contadina, I'm gonna try that, open it up and taste it. And if I think I need to put some more herbs in it, I will, and I'll let you know if I did later. So, you can also go to the store and get shredded mozzarella in a bag. But I don't like any kind of shredded cheese in a bag. So, I bought a pound of mozzarella and I shredded it. So that's almost about a pound. I stopped when I got close to scraping my knuckles. I don't like doing that with that grater. And then you want to make it real easy. I bought pepperoni at the grocery store. So you can pick that up and just have a pepperoni pizza. But I like sweet Italian sausage on my pizza. And this is Johnsonville sweet Italian pizza. Cooked it up, didn't take much time at all. So, and then the other key part of this is the pan. I've got a Faberware, or Farberware, I don't know how it's pronounced, pizza pan with holes in it. And what I will do is I will lightly oil this with olive oil. You could also use vegetable oil. I would recommend vegetable oil over anything else. You lightly oil that, and after the dough is rolled out, you transfer it. And once I get to that part of this recipe, I will show you. If you don't have a flat pan here with holes in it, you can buy one of these babies. And essentially on a flat pan, after you put your dough down, you can run this over it and put some holes in it for the dough to cook better. So what I'm going to do is prep this, get some flour on there, flour my pan, and set this up, get my sauce ready, get the oven on to 500 degrees. I put it on the second lowest to the bottom setting in the oven. And after I get this going, I'll come back in a minute. Hi folks, welcome back. Well, I turned the oven on to 500 degrees. I put my dough on a very well floured mat here and put flour on top of the dough, flour all over the place. Floured up my my pan, and as you may see, it doesn't come out perfectly round, and that's okay. I used olive oil on my pan, and what I'm going to do is transfer it to the pan and see. We'll see how this goes. So once you get it on the pan, just kind of stretch it out. Get it to where you want. And then the excess, you just cut around the pan. Sorry for the dog noise, but you know, that's living up north. What can you say? We love her. That's no reason to start the video over again. So here's what I got. I got this set up. Well, it's kind of scooting off the pan. It's oiled. So that works out really well. So I tasted this contadina pizza sauce, and it tastes pretty good. And I just want to say that I use this brand paste for doing my other recipes. My you know, what's it called? Yeah, for making my other sauce anyway. So what I'm going to do is grab a spoon, put some sauce on here, and we're going to, I like to try to get it to the edges. I guess another thing you can try if you want is like just a marinara sauce. I was thinking about that, but I really wanted to try a pizza sauce just to see how this all came out. So I like to lightly get to the edges. I guess I'm a little more particular than Papa Murphy's when I do this. But I'm telling you what, doing this pizza is so much better than a frozen pizza or say Papa Murphy's or anything else like that, believe me. And it really doesn't take much time, and it really is almost like a pizza place pizza. Oh. Got leftover dough, I don't know what to do with that, but so I got leftover sauce. So now comes the pepperonis. Kind of laid on the pepperoni. And then the sausage. Pretty good chunks here. I like to kind of cover the pizza pretty good with this stuff. Miscalculated a little bit with the pepperoni, but guess what? We'll just have extra sausage on that part. You can put whatever you want on this. You can. I did a vegetable pizza once. All right. Not gonna let any of it go to waste. It's going all on it. And now, the cheese. I like a lot of cheese. Once you get it on there, you can spread it out. I like it down to the edge. If I can get it there. You look at a pound of cheese, isn't it? Oh my. Oh my, that looks so good. Look at that. I don't want to tip it too much, but it's going in the oven. I'll cook it for how long it ever takes. I don't know what it is. I just keep an eye on it. And then I'll show you the end result, and I'll clean up the kitchen a little bit. See you in a little bit. Hi folks, welcome back. Well, we took this beautiful pizza out of the oven. I mean, take a look at that baby. I'm telling you what, this tastes like a regular pizza shop pizza, and it doesn't take much time to do it. And other variations is you can, you know, to make it easy, pineapple rings and Canadian bacon, a Hawaiian. I mean, and it only takes, I mean, really, if you want to do it, it takes about an hour to make, and it's so much better than a frozen pizza. So I just want to let you know that I forgot at the beginning to let you know that this video is coming to you from Studio 1A up here in the Deer River area, northern Minnesota, on the Leech Lake Reservation and on the doorstep of the Chippewa National Forest. I have some upcoming videos. I want you to stay, you know, maybe subscribe, and you'll be seeing, I've got a ice fishing video on Lake Winnipegashish with Zup's Guide Service, and my son Matt and his fiancee Bonnie are coming up to help me with that, and hopefully we'll catch some fish on Winnie. And then later after that, I think I'm going to have a video coming up on Lake of the Woods. So join me for those, and again, thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. Mike from Minnesota, thank you very much. Have a great day, and God bless.